Go.
Hey, this is Corby Biddle with Coob's Lawn Care. Today we're doing a sod job in beautiful Chapel Hill. You can see here I've got my guys adding some compost, some topsoil. We've tilled up the yard. We've added enough lime to adjust the pH. It's a critical step. We have very acidic soil. You have to add the lime at about 40 pounds per 1,000 square foot for every half point of pH below 7. This is a critical step a lot of people miss, and then 2 years down the road your sod dies and people are often wondering why. That's it. So we're adding fresh compost, clayless base mixture of topsoil, and you can see here we've got about 2,500 square feet of Tiff Grand Bermuda. This is a warm season grass. This is going to be a little bit more drought tolerant than your fescues. It's going to be a little bit easier to maintain, requires a little less fertilizer, a little more expensive to purchase up front, cheaper in the long run. And cut.